Seacrown DSA Contrast Media Injector, Zenith H15. Product advantages: safe and reliable, precise control, multi-language, humanized design, scientific and humanized structure design, lockable structure of the universal wheel, easy to move or lock. Auxiliary tray can place drugs or disposable supplies and other supplies. 12-inch high-definition touchscreen, simple and easy to operate. Visualization of accurate injection dosage and speed throughout the whole injection process. The system supports multiple language options in Chinese, English, German, French, and Spanish. Optional remote console for more intuitive remote observation and control of the injection process. Product installation. Remove the main frame of the equipment from the wooden box. Loosen the screws used to secure the control system motherboard and remove and discard. Pull out the removable control system module in the machine compartment. Fix the motherboard to the corresponding position with 6 long screws. Connect and fix the cantilever arm with the handrail bracket to ensure that the cantilever arm can be rotated within 180 degrees after locking. Attach and fix the injection arm to the cantilever and ensure that the locking injection arm can be rotated within 180 degrees. Install the console on the handrail platform and fix it. Separate cables connecting the console and the injection arm are routed through the cable holes to the rack cavity. Connect all cables to the correct location as required. Connect the transformer power supply to the motherboard power port. Connect the motherboard cable to the corresponding port of the drive. Connecting foot switch cables. Access to external hospital linkage line. Connect the cable marked with console B to the corresponding port on the motherboard. Connect the cable marked with console A to the corresponding port on the motherboard. Connect the cable marked with TZB to the corresponding port on the motherboard. Connect the cable marked with J14 to the corresponding port on the motherboard. Connect the cable marked with X6 to the corresponding port on the drive. Connect the cable marked with XB to the corresponding port on the motherboard. The ground wire of the motor needs to be connected to the ground screw on the motor housing. Cover the motherboard protective cover and lock the screws. Push the removable control system module in the machine department. Put both sides of the screw locking plate and lock the screws respectively. After checking, cover the back cover and lock the screws. Place the injection arm cable into the recesses of the cantilever hidden by the grommet. Connect the foot switch connection cable to the J2 connector on the controller panel. Plug in the power cord. For optional remote console system, connect one end of the cable to the rounded end interface and the other end to the arm interface of the console. Installation completed. Product operation. Reinstall disposable syringes and consumables before each use. Use the quick air vent button to evacuate the air from the syringe. Connect the suction tube and press the automatic suction button to complete the suction. Connect the dosing tube and empty the air inside the tube. From the remote console panel, the injection protocols prescribed by the physician can be entered into the system step by step. The Zenith H15 DSA high-pressure injector can support up to 6-stage injection protocols. Single-stage injection volume and injection speed can be set on demand. You can also set the pause time for 2 adjacent stages or the pressure requirement for the entire injection process, etc. Throughout the injection process, the doctor can control the injection process with the standard foot switch. An optional remote console is also available for a better experience and intuitive visualization. Seacrown and Sunspring passion for healthcare.